Baked chimichangas. It's what's for dinner tonight.
Well, hey, long time no see. I've been cooking. I just haven't really been recording. I know. Shame on me. So let's do this. It's Taco Tuesday. And in our house, that usually means something taco adjacent. Well, tonight we are having baked chimichangas. It's supposed to be similar to Chi-Chi's chimichangas, if you even remember Chi-Chi's. So let's just hop right into it. I have got the oven over there preheating to 400 degrees. I have already pre-cooked my chicken. I did cook this in my microwave pressure cooker. I stuck it in there with some salt. I put some taco seasoning in it, stuck the bad boy in there for like 7 minutes, and now we have fully cooked chicken. And then I've gone ahead and shredded it so to make this part a lot easier and a lot quicker. All right. You know, I'm all about doing things the easy and the lazy way. All right. So to this, I'm going to add about a cup or so of salsa. I'm going to add some chili powder. We don't like things really hot. I'm going to add a little bit of cumin. Again, just a little, because we're not a very spicy family, okay? And then some garlic powder. We do like garlic. Let me grab a spoon. All right, get that kind of mixed up a little bit. Now we're going to add probably about 2 cups of this Colby Jack cheese mixed with the Monterey Jack. You can do it separately. You can do it however you want. I'm sorry. I know it's probably better to shred your own cheese. I ain't got time for that. And I'm too lazy for that. So there we are. Usually about a handful is roughly a cup of cheese. So there we are. All right, let's get this all mixed up. And this is going to be the filling for our chimichanga. The recipe does...
Let's try this again. The recipe does call for green chilies, but again, you know, we don't like things really spicy here. So we're just going to omit that and go with what we've got right here. All right, it's time to make the chimichangas. We're going to grab some large tortillas. Now, typically I would use the smaller ones, but, you know, I want more stuffing in these things. So we're going to go with the large ones. All the filling I can get, right? That's going to make them yummy. And it's pretty simple from here. We're just going to lay out the tortilla. We're going to put that filling in there and get it as full as you want it, you know, however. And then just roll it up however you would roll a tortilla, roll your burrito or whatever. So, yeah, there we go. Now, of course, you know, I've already got my foil pan ready. I've got a piece of parchment paper down at the bottom of it because I don't want these to stick. So we're just going to roll them up, put it the open side down so they don't unroll. And we're just going to go ahead and make as many of these as it takes till all my filling's gone. Okay, and so for me, that yielded about 5 burritos, or chimichangas, if you will. All right, so we're going to take this and throw it in that oven that's been preheating to 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes till it's golden brown.
Look at how nice and golden brown they turned out. Yeah, and by the way, I don't know what's wrong with my audio, but luckily I figured out that there was something wrong with the audio. These are my new ones that I just got, so I don't have a lot of hope for these. So yeah, we'll have to deal with that another time. So there we go. There's our chimichangas. Now, hold up. The recipe pretty much at this point is done. You're going to put anything on it that you want. You want lettuce on it, put lettuce on it. You want more salsa, you want sour cream, you want more cheese, whatever you want to put on it. What it does not call for is queso. And how can you have chimichangas and not queso? So yeah, we're gonna pour some queso on the top. If I had some pico, I would be putting pico on here, but I'm the only one in my house that eats it, and I can't justify buying it or making it for just one little bit that I'm putting it on top. So it is what it is, but there we are, dinner served.